only daughter is about to make the worst mistake of her life.
Onyeka is the love of my life.
I think it's time for me to come and ask for your hand in marriage properly.
That marriage will not happen.
Do you realize that you're a very big disgrace to us?
You are the one that is a bigger disgrace, you blockhead.
You are insulting your father's first son?
You are a good-for-nothing first son.
Are you the only rich woman in this community? Are you feeling like God?
Are you insulting me? For me to insult you, you must be somebody. You are nobody now.
The idiot was dressed like a village drunken master.
Why are you accusing me of what I didn't say?
I don't like you insulting and embarrassing my image in public.
Come and carry all these things. All these things. Wholesale.
A full-fledged man that should have gone and looked for something to do. That is how you reduced yourself to a boy or no fair. Boy! Hey!
It's in my place to cook and feed my household. What is your problem?
That kitchen is not for you, but for him.
You're the man of the house. You can't be doing this.
You are a total biological mutation.
Hey!
The stubborn fly will always go to the grave with the corpse.
My love, my body and soul yearns for you, and only you. I love you.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.